I'm a full-time mother and I'm furthering my studies in nutrition. I follow the Grand Ayatollah Sistani, may Allah grant him a long life. Well, at the time I was told he was the most a'lam, the most knowledgeable, and as far as I'm aware, he's the only Marja that has a translated sort of risala in English. It's a duty of every Muslim to perform and promote Azadari. I think Hazrat Zainab Salam Alaiha, left us a legacy for us to continue Azadari and promote the message of Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his sacrifice. It's almost like a gate of blessings from Allah, and it's something that's highly recommended. The main one's usually obviously matam, which is hitting the chest. And also recently I've tried gamizani and co-walking. Depends on where I go. In some centres it's very ritualistic, so it's being done but with not much emotion behind it. And some centres you go to, there's, the latmiya is very moving. The way and the manners in which they do the hitting of the chest is a bit different and a lot more emotion behind it. So usually all forms of the Azadari is very emotional. And I think after any type of Azadari you feel more spiritually connected with the Imam, more closer. The only thing I'd like to add is that when looking at the different forms of Azadari, I think people should keep an open mind. It's an expression of grief for, Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and I think you have to, sometimes we're very narrow-minded in our own ways, and I think I would advise people just to keep an open mind about the different forms and to try it.